this right here is the Honda CB, not the 350, the 500. Now you can see there are two versions of it. One is the bare alloys, one over there is with the spokes, and now you get a 501cc motor producing 27.7 bhp of power and 43.3 Nm of torque. Rest everything while it's on the motorcycle resembles the CB series lineup right over here. You can see the same headlight setup right over here. Gaiter forks, the Gaiter fork covers right over, like kind of split forks up front, LED indicators. These are my one parking mode, as you can see, and then you get the same cluster with RoadSync right here. No, it's not the same cluster. The design has been changed a little bit, and you can see that it's become beefier. And if you notice, the whole thing, the whole motorcycle has become beefier. You get the rip factor right over here on the seats. Looks quite nice. You get a hood right here. There's no grab rail as such on the tail, but the tail design looks very similar to what the CB350s have to offer. You can see that the exhaust is imported outside, and let's look at the tires. You get 150 section tires right over here on a 17-inch wheel. Telescopic forks, first gas charge forks on the back. Get payload the CBT right over here. Then the engine sits right in the center. Chrome silverish finish, the middle of the pop, and this is an air-cooled motor, not an liquid-cooled motor, air-cooled here. Again, you get an oil cooler dips right over here. Now, at the front, you might notice that the tires might be different, but again, these are 90 inches with a 100-section tire, and you get dual disc setup, which is front and rear both. Front set of single disc front with ABS is like over here, and then you get Nissin brake calipers over here. And then you notice the rear also gets that ABS, so यहाँ पे gap open जाएगा. I'm not sure if you get switchable ABS or not, but again, Nissin calipers right over here with that ABS string. Like these tires also are coming in from Maxxis, so overall the look of the motorcycle is actually looking quite nice. Let's look at the spoke variant, and if you notice, type spokes bhi aapko mil jate hain, and these look like tubeless spokes right over because the spokes are coming in strong this side. यहाँ पे आपको tubeless spokes मिलने वाले हैं. Everything on this motorcycle looks quite nice, and the color is actually quite interesting. The red color over here, the maroon color over here, whatever you call it, ये एक feel आपको एक proper classic का दे रहा है यहाँ पे. And then Swant also 19-inch, 17-inch, tubeless forks, Gaiters, everything else has a classic CB design. Then if you look at the last color over here, actually two more colors. It is a gray right behind, gray silverish ka shade hai yahan pe, and then there is a special black with gold, and this looks the most interesting if you look at the color for the CB500. The motorcycle prices have not come yet. Yahan pe sirf showcase kiya gaya hai, but this is what the CB lineup was gonna look now. Prices will be slightly higher, going to 3 lakh rupees ex showroom. What do you think of this CB500? आपके बजट में बैठेगी, नहीं बैठेगी? And when you pick 500 over the 350, because this is still a single. And then there are 350s. 350 stay as is. यहाँ पे आपको CB350 मिलने वाला है. This is the simple one, no changes to this. That is the RS, and this is a CB350C. It's more like a cruiser. If you notice, यहाँ पे handlebar pull in किया गया है, and it is slightly more different. You can see that the colors of the mudguards are matching the colors of the motorcycle by itself. While here, you can notice there is a chrome use all over. This is the standard CB350. Highness जिसका नाम था, it's now just the 350. Highness has been taken away. You can still notice the chrome lines and the design lines on the tank, while the meter, as I mentioned, is different for the 350. यहाँ पे वो tail का separate check में जाता है, and everything else on this is quite likable. The RS also gets that sporty feel altogether, and यहाँ पे आपको same body tires का different color right over there. Which one will you pick? Will you pick the CB350C, the RS, the Highness, which is no longer the Highness, just the 350, or will you pick one of those 500s because they are looking quite nice?